Hey yo, what's up guys, it's Don Felipe from Shark POV Reviews, and today we got an awesome car to drive. It's the brand new Ram 1500 TRX. So everybody knows what it is, but the best thing is underneath the hood here. It has a 6.2 liter supercharged Hemi V8 with 710 horsepower, and it just pulls like a drunken mother. And this is how it looks at the side. It's a really big car. You couldn't even imagine how big it is, and it's even higher than the normal Ram, so you really have to climb in the car. At the back, looks like a normal Ram with two big exhaust pipes, and this is cargo space if I could open it, but no. But this is how it looks like inside. You got a lot of space, big fat tires. You got 80-inch wheels, and the tires are 352 units with 65, and they're from Goodyear. And this is how the interior looks like. Really nice SRT seats everywhere. Alcantara. Here's the big Uconnect screen, and you also got an classic automatic transmission instead of the round dial in the normal Ram. And of course you got the launch control button, but it doesn't work now because the car is brand new. So it will work after probably a few thousand kilometers. Here you can change the SRT modes, and yeah, you got some cargo space here for your documents, up here too. And like I said, it's a really nice interior with leather stitching, with few aluminium inserts, so really beautiful. So then let's hump into the driver's seat. Like I said, it's really high, you see it. I have to climb in really badly. And this is how it looks like from up here. You got a real big steering wheel with the big Ram logo. You got paddle shifters back here, and yeah, you got panoramic sunroof. At the back you got really big space, and yeah, the seats are very comfy, typical for an American car. But really, to say what I know, in the past from the Ram, the interior quality is really good for a pickup when you compare it to a Volkswagen Amarok or a Ford Ranger, which you get in Europe. This is really, for pickup, very luxurious. And yeah, let's start it up and yeah, let it run. Ooh. You already hear the V8. It's really good. So let's give a few shots. It's very nice. So, and let's see the engine. This is the engine. So my friend will give a few shots so you can hear it from outside. This is the 6.2 liter Hemi V8 with a supercharger. It's very nice. There you can see the engine, and back there is the supercharger. It's really great. So, and we'll go take the car for a ride. What you say? Launch control.
Yeah.
Geht nicht. New vehicle. Woo.